Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get ready.
In pursuit of quality and reliability, many car manufacturers make engines with a possible mileage of 1 million kilometers. Thus, power units are becoming very popular, since 1 million kilometers is not so easy to wind up. What does a million-mile engine mean? A millionth engine is an internal combustion engine that is designed for 1 million kilometers of mileage without overhaul. Of course, this indicator is abstract, since there are a number of buts that are worth considering. For example, timely and quality maintenance plays an important role in the resource and operation of the engine. Another important fact is the driver's manner of driving and handling the engine. The engines of millionaires are divided into two types, for trucks and passenger vehicles. As for trucks, this category mainly includes tractor-trailers. Among passenger vehicles, it is easy to find motors with a resource of use of 1 million kilometers of mileage. Model range of the most famous. As stated earlier, motors with a million-mile resource are divided into two categories that cannot be compared with each other. Thus, for a passenger car, it is an ideal engine with a high cost, and for a truck it is commonplace. It is worth considering both categories separately. 1 million for a passenger car. The first representatives of motors with a resource of 1 million kilometers of mileage were Americans, who made their legendary muscle cars. Thus, the Shelby Mustang and Chrysler engines were born. These power units were installed on such legendary cars, Shelby Mustang GT500 and Dodge Challenger. The second historical milestone for the development of million-mileage motors was the famous German duel between BMW and Mercedes. During the battle, legendary motors such as the OM602, M50, and M57 were developed. When used properly, these powertrains can last almost forever. Japanese neutrality. While the Germans were fighting among themselves, Japanese automakers made several engines that were as reliable and high quality as their European competitors. Thus, the light saw the power units, which later became legends, Mitsubishi 4G63, Toyota 1JZGE and 2JZGE. Although the production of these powertrains has been discontinued, but still their operation continues to this day. We should not forget about the Bugatti Veyron W16 powertrain. This 1,001-strong machine has a manual assembly and a manufacturer's guarantee that the resource of use is at least 1 million kilometers of mileage. The latest versions of the motor use thermoceramic technology. This means that the main components, such as the cylinder block, has a ceramic structure that can withstand heavy loads. At the moment, not many automakers can boast that their arsenal has engines with a resource of 1 million kilometers of mileage. In Europe, BMW, Audi, and Mercedes produce million-meter engines, in Japan, Toyota, and in America, General Motors. But, recently, the number of cars that can boast such reliability and resource is decreasing, as the high cost of production has reduced popularity. This is also due to the fact that it is more profitable to repair a motor with a life of 300,000 kilometers several times than to buy and maintain $1 million engine. Strength and power combined with reliability. Special attention should be paid to engines with 1 million kilometers of service life for heavy equipment. Thus, most tractors from the manufacturer's factory have this property and resource. The famous American engine manufacturer Cummins has been producing power units at this level and resource for about 20 years. Its engines are installed on the most famous tractors, such as Peterbilt. These power units have not bypassed the domestic market, where Cummins engines can be found on cars for a long time. But, there are domestic analogues to foreign engines, which are not inferior in quality and reliability. Thus, power units of Yaroslavl engine plant and Kamaz automobile plant are recognized in the world as one of the best and most reliable power units. Power qualities of these engines are high, and the resource of use, with proper operation and maintenance, is 1 million kilometers of mileage. Million-dollar motors are quite widely represented at this time. Many car manufacturers increase the engine life to attract buyers by reliability. And the cost of vehicles with such characteristics is much higher than that of cars with a power unit with a service life of 250 to 300,000 kilometers. In conclusion, the world of million-dollar engines is not just about power and performance, it's a celebration of engineering excellence and innovation. From legendary brands that have pushed the boundaries of speed to the iconic designs that have captured our imaginations, these engines represent the pinnacle of automotive achievement. As we look to the future, the legacy of these remarkable machines will continue to inspire new generations of engineers and enthusiasts alike. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the legends of million-dollar engines.